Hi, hello, my YouTube fam. We know that this world is full of mysteries. Some of them are controversial and some of them remains unsolved to this day. So let's look at some unsolved mysteries today.
Firstly, Area 51. It is in southern Nevada, which is a US military base, the very existence of which was unconfirmed and unfound in internet till 2013. Based on historical evidences, Area 51 supports development and testing of experimental aircraft and weapons. To visit Area 51, we need to go to Las Vegas via an airline called Janet, whose planes are unmarked. It has sparked rumors that government uses it to house crashed UFOs and conduct lab tests on aliens. This theory is much a mystery, but one thing is certain that people like a good conspiracy theory.
Secondly, Voynich manuscript. It's a roughly written book in an unknown language. It's been carbon dated back to 1400s and it says about the plants which don't resemble any known species. It is believed that it's a book of medical text. At first, an alchemist George Barrick confirmed as its owner, but later this manuscript changed hands for centuries until it was purchased by Voynich, who said that this book was authored by Albertus Magnus. This book was roughly given small notes, but no detailed information even about variety plant species, or it wouldn't explain the carbon dating of the paper and ink. After its first discovery, the Voynich manuscript remains as impenetrable and inexplicable as ever.
Is the Copper Scroll treasure. In 1952, a copper scroll was found by archaeologists at the site of Qumran. It records a vast amount of hidden gold and silver treasures, which some scholars believed is impossible. The scholar dates back more than 1900 years when Roman Empire controlled Qumran area, and there were a number of revolts against Roman rule at the time of scroll writing, and scientists have hypothesized that the treasure was hidden to prevent its capture by Roman forces.
Fourthly, the disappearance of Malaysian Air Flight 370. It was a scheduled international flight with 239 passengers operated by Malaysian Airlines, which disappeared on 8th March 2014 while flying from Kuala Lumpur International Airport to its planned destination, Beijing. Actually, the flight should land at Beijing within 6 hours, but it didn't. The air traffic controllers failed to communicate with the aircraft due to loss of radar shortly after its disappearance. To this day, the plane has been not found, but the official investigation concluded that the most likely location of the wreckage is at the bottom of the Indian Ocean. The working theory says that the plane was hijacked and flown out over the ocean until it ran out of fuel, but yet the parts of flight or debris of the passengers not found. There is no clear-cut evidence on all these, but the final report of Malaysian Ministry of Transports is inconclusive.
Lastly, Ark of the Covenant. To discuss this, let's go through some part of the biblical history. In 587 BC, a Babylonian army under King Nebuchadnezzar II conquered Jerusalem, sacking the city and destroying first temple built by Jewish people to worship God. The first temple contained the Ark of Covenant, which carried 10 commandments. Ancient sources indicate that the covenant was either carried back to Babylon or hidden before the city was captured, or it is destroyed. In any event, the location of it is still unknown.